What are you gonna eat at the overnight in Bangkok? As you know, Thai food is the best one, and many restaurants open almost 24 hours, not included 7-Eleven. But how you know which restaurant is a good place to try? So, we decided to make a video of the overnight food around Bangkok as a local view. And the first area that we will share you is the Khao Sarn Road. Khao Sarn Road is the one of the most destination in Bangkok for the tourists around the world. It's the very big wide party place. They have a lot of nice bar, clubs, and street food. And let's see what the food that we're gonna share you today.
Khao Sarn Road already, and let's see what I'm gonna share you with my favorite food in here. So let's see, and the fun is over there. Okay, so now we are at the very famous restaurant that is famous for the drunker. After you drink from Khao Sarn Road and you can go here. It's very good.
And here that we got is the congee with the century egg. Is the preserved egg. Is very nice.
คือจริงๆแล้วเนี่ยโจ๊กของร้านเนี้ยเขาไม่ได้มีเครื่องปรุงมาให้ในถ้วยเนาะใช่เราต้องเอามาปรุงเอง
อันเครื่องปรุงจะอยู่ด้านนี้
ใช่เครื่องปรุงจะอยู่
ด้านนี้อะไรนะฮะอันนี้
ปลาท่องโก
yes ปลาท่องโก
กันแต่เป็นปลาท่องโกที่เอาไว้กินกับโจ๊ก
มันจะแข็งกว่า
มันจะกรอบเลยครันช์นิดนึง
yes
They usually put in this.
yeah กินด้วยกันมา
But in here they have a century egg. This one, haven't tried it. You want to try it? The egg.
no
Why? This is just egg. It's not egg.
ใช่อร่อยมากๆ
อร่อยมาก
This one is good. โจ๊กอ่ะ
ทำไมอ่ะไข่อร่อย
This one is called suki, and I ordered the chicken one. This is the famous dish of this restaurant. And for the suki, they have a sauce like this. This one is
Suki sauce.
Suki sauce, yeah. And we just put it in.
It's so spicy.
It's not spicy. It's a little bit sweet and yeah, it's nice. Do you recommend this one or not?
มันอร่อยอ่ะdelicious
How about you? How about the century eggs?
หอมและอร่อย
Okay. กิน
ชิ้นโตมากถ้าจะกินโจ๊กแนะนำใส่ขิงมันจะทำให้มีกลิ่นหอมมากขึ้นจากสามัคคูนะแล้วคนโอเคขอกินก่อนหิวมาก
Okay. So next we're gonna go to eat more at the what is that?
ผัดหมี่
It's called Pad Mi in Khao Sarn Road.
It's a Thai noodle
For the second dish that I want to recommend you guys, this one is pad thai or just stir fry noodle with eggs or with the chicken. And this shop that I want to show you, this one is located at the front of the Mulligan Irish Bar on the main street of the Khao Sarn Road. Every time that we got the food, we love to put any seasoning that they have in the food, especially the chili. I love spicy food, so let's try it. So he said it's not spicy at all, so I decided to put it more.
ชัดนะไปหาที่กินดีกว่าไม่เผ็ดอ่ะ
You want to try?
Yeah. Okay.
Spicy?
Oh. Huh? Oh, it's good. Very good. 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 I think it's okay. Delicious, but it's not spicy.
That's okay. Thank you.
And for the last dish, I will share you with my favorite food in Khao Sarn Road, but it's not actually in Khao Sarn Road. You have to go out a little bit of that is the front of the main road of Rachadamnern Road. For the food, it's gonna be a secret, and I will tell you when we got the food.
And here we are. We are here at the last station. Over here.
น้ำพริกเพิ่มได้
Yeah. So we just got the food, and this one is the last station of tonight. This one is called Mu Para or Mu Tam. It's located at the front of the bank, the SCB bank. You have to go out from the Khao Sarn Road and turn left, and you will see the big restaurant. I mean, the big store over there. Yeah, let's eat it. Let me introduce this one. This is a beef grill that we ordered. Yeah, all beef. That one is the sauce. Okay, it's called para. It's from northeastern. This one is the sticky rice. They gave us like a cucumber here and the chili over here, and we eat all together.
This is a para.
If you like spicy, you have to spicy. I love Xiaobong. This store is very good for the drunker. You must be hungry for sure after you drink, right? And this one is very good. But this place is very famous for Thai people. Not much tourists or foreigners know this place, just Thai. But if you watch it, you will know. Yeah, and it's not a secret anymore.
Yeah. How is the taste? Is good?
Yeah, very good. I love this.
Which one is you like it so much?
The sauce, I love it so much.
So yummy, delicious, right?
Very, and it's so spicy as well. I think my face is gonna turn.
Yeah. Not so much. Chai. Good.
Yes. แต่อร่อยครับอร่อย
Chai. How about you? You like it?
Yeah. I love it.
So what's your favorite inside? Meat?
The fat one. The fat is the best one here.
Yeah.
But if you eat it now, it's gonna be like we have to run like 5 kilometers tomorrow. There's a lot of fat in here.
So what happens?
It's spicy,
So. Oh.
my lip is burned already.
Really?
Yeah.
So.
I thought it's not spicy, like spicy than I thought, but It's more than that.
ปวดตาจะได้
Thank you so much. Okay, so we're gonna end up the video here, and I hope you guys enjoy our video with the overnight food in Khao Sarn Road. And yeah, if you like the video, please help me to click thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Bye. Good night.
Bye.
You want to eat?